5 games, 0 losses, 0 goals conceded. Kaizer Chiefs are playing well. I'm not saying ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs is back, but they are playing well. Credit to our coach and our new scouts department, Tera Mali. We all know about him. And also we'll talk about the decision of Hugo Broos choosing Mule over Ucele. Also, we're talking about Umabua. So let's just jump straight into the video together. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Amakhosi Podcast. This is where ozithola khona uzishisa be. I am your host Manqoba Nqobo, all the way from eGreytown. Namhlanje nginiphathela zona zishisa abafethu. Ngiyazi ukuthi I haven't been posting because of some things ebezenzeka, but now I'm back fully focused on my YouTube. So please guys, do continue supporting me, support content eKaizer Chiefs ngoba ngizonikeza yona ishisa. So guys, congratulate to our coach, staff and our new scouts department. Why ngisho lokho is because many of Kaizer Chiefs fans were not happy about the signings, especially of Flavio Silva and Upaseka Marco. So kucaca nje lokho. People criticized Flavio Silva and bebona amagame akhe aku-preseason. And I told you guys ukuthi i-Chiefs noma kuthiwa isayina ba noma kuthiwa umdlalo onjani, mayise kwi-Kaizer Chiefs we have to support him, back him, so he will get confident. But Kaizer Chiefs fans were like, this guy Flavio Silva. But then on Saturday against Golden Arrows, he came in, scored the winning goal, and no Kaizer Chiefs fans has came out and say siyaxolisa Flavio Silva for doubting you. Also that day Paseka Marco had his chance, took it very well and won his man of the match. Also nalapho people were criticizing uMarco, saying he's old, he has some injuries. I am the one, I also made a video about Marco, saying I was not really happy about the signing of Marco at the first place. I thought Marco will not fit to Kaizer Chiefs because of his age and also of his injuries. But right now, I love this guy. So I want to say, Ngiyaxolisa Paseka Marco, you are a great player. You will make history with Kaizer Chiefs. And the things that I like with our new signings, they are playing for the badge. You can see they want to fight. They want to win games. They want to keep clean sheets. That's what we want. And also, guys, singamkhohlwa kanjani uZitha Kwinika, because many of Kaizer Chiefs fans wanted Zitha Kwinika to be gone. I personally wanted Zitha Kwinika to be gone, but the guy is on another level. It's like he's a new signing of Kaizer Chiefs, but he's been there. But indlela adlala ngawo njengamanje, it's something else. Bese kuba khona umuntu ozothi Coach Nabi and his technical team abalazi ibhola. Guys, come on, boo. Look at the players like Usibongiseni Mthetho, Mdudu Shabalala. I know he's been a good player, but look at him right now. Look at the player like Mfundo Vilakazi. He's improving every minute. He's improving. Look at uZitha Kwinika. Guys, angazi ukuthi nifuna ucoach onjani. Mawukuthi animfuni lo coach lo mhlophe lo esinayo njengamanje unabi. Angazi ukuthi nifuna ucoach onjani. This coach improvile abadlali and they are showing hunger. They want to play. for Kaizer Chiefs and win trophies with Kaizer Chiefs. And the signings of Lebogang Mabuya will make a big difference lapha kwi-Kaizer Chiefs, because firstly we have international competition, which is a Conf Cup. We also have the local cups and also Betway Premiership. So the rotation of the squad will be very important. We need him. We need depth. We need like 3 or 4 players in one position, so we can compete. Even if the trusted guy or umuntu ojwayele ukuqala lapha ku-starting 11 akekho uku-injury or something, but we can rely on someone. For example, uCross ubeseyithasile leya position yaka left back, but wagula, and then uPaseka Marco wangena ku-starting lineup and performed, as well as uZitha Kwinika took over u-Edin McCarthy because of his injury. So we need squad depth. Bafowethu, I also want to talk about a decision Hugo Broos to call uSipho Mbule over uThabo Cele. Sonke sibonile-ke indaba ukuthi Patrick Tito Maswanganyi was injured, so Hugo Broos had to make a decision. So he decided to go for uSipho Mbule over other midfielders, but especially now we'll talk about uThabo Cele, because this is a Kaizer Chiefs channel. So make sure if you support and love Kaizer Chiefs, subscribe to the channel, like the video and comment down below. So bafethu, I think the first thing first is that Hugo Broos and his technical team, they really don't like Kaizer Chiefs players at all. Noma bengaperforma kanjani, they won't get called up. Laba umdudu Shabalala umbize njengama, because he has no choice. Ukuba kabizanga ngisho yedwa umdlalo weKaizer Chiefs njengamanje, bekuze kuvela ukuthi this guy really doesn't love Kaizer Chiefs. So he didn't have any choice. He had to call one of the Kaizer Chiefs players, but ukube kuyangaye ngaba kabizanga umuntu. Secondly, ukuthi-ke uThabo Cele, I think he's injured. Hopefully he will be back by the time we play our next game. Let's hope so. But besides injuries and all the stuff, Thabo Somonyane has been performing, but he's not there in the national team. Kaizer Chiefs players have been performing, but most of them, they are not there. So guys, this is concerning. I'm not saying Hugo Broos must be forced to call up Kaizer Chiefs, but when they are performing, they need something to boost their morale. And ukubizwa esquadini is a huge boost for a player. So I don't know, but on the other side, I'm happy ukuthi he's not calling many Kaizer Chiefs players, saving us from injuries, saving us from fatigues, saving us from a lot of things. So let's be happy. He made his decision to go for another Paris player, to replace another Paris player. And guys, today I want to say that namhlanje it's a deadline day of a transfer window. So don't expect any signings from Kaizer Chiefs from today, tomorrow, until January or June next year. In the deadline day, you might see Usamkelo Zwane moving away from Kaizer Chiefs, finding a new team, which I'm not sure which team, but he's the one likely to be out of Kaizer Chiefs before tonight, before the window shuts. So guys, make sure you do comment down below. Nixolise kuFlavio Silva nakuPaseka Marco, because you were criticizing these guys before seeing them playing an actual match. Also, like the video, Subscribe bafethu kumahhala ukusubscribe for free. You just press that red button and yeah, great deal. Thank you for watching the video. See you on another one. Danko.